I'm Dan Gookin, author of these books on Word, and here's today's Word tip. The computer keyboard features 12, count them, 12 function keys. Back in the old days, these were command keys. Early DOS programs used them to carry out tasks like saving a document, printing, cut and paste, and all that. These commands still have holdovers in today's computer programs. Some of the function key shortcuts are useful in Word, such as F1 for help, Shift F3 to change case, F8 to select text, F12 to summon that useful Save As dialog box, and Control F12 to access the traditional Open dialog box. All of these are useful if you can remember them, but get this. 12 function keys times 3 modifier keys times various keyboard combinations such as Control-Shift, Shift-Alt, Alt-Control, and you have, well, dozens of keyboard shortcuts, all cheerfully ignored by you, the user. Yeah, that's right. I know, I ignore them all myself all the time. But while fiddling around in Word the other day, I discovered what I believe to be the most bizarre Microsoft Word keyboard shortcut ever. Control-Alt-F1. Press it if you dare. Here is the System Information window, which is part of the Windows operating system, and it has nothing to do with word processing, but it's still a useful thing to know about. Here you can see a handy summary of details about your computer, all collected in a single location. So up here is the system summary, which tells me about this computer. You see the version of Windows, the manufacturer, the system model number, BIOS, processor, memory, all kinds of useful, trivial, nerdy information. You can use this hierarchical tree to find out specifics such as hardware, and you can go to memory, and then you see all this weird stuff about the computer's memory. Or maybe you want to check out storage and see which drives are connected to the computer and what the disks are, whether it has a CD-ROM, which it does not, network information, information about the software environment. This is just a bizarre collection of stuff. Now, what it's doing in Microsoft Word and why you have a quick keyboard shortcut to it, Control-Alt-F1, is beyond me. This keyboard shortcut doesn't exist in other Microsoft Office applications. It's there, yet it's Word's most bizarre keyboard shortcut. By the way, you can summon this window at any time. You just need to pop up the Start menu and type System Information and choose this item to see the same window. But why bother with all those steps when in Word you can just press Control-Alt-F1 and there it is, handy and bizarre. I cover all of Word's keyboard shortcuts in my book, Word Professionals for Dummies, available soon in a bookstore near you.